Set para dito kay Dapol. Pero Chow reverses it. Papunta kay Rhea Manalo. Dapol again. Chance here for the AM Spikers. But that time, good block from Russell Aldea. 1, Bacoor. Scored the last 3 points. Free ball para dito sa Caloocan. Pero Chow, bigay sa gitna. Yeye Gabarda. Dapol trying to save it, but to no avail.
Of course, Gabarda is also a player to watch out.
Game to them. Good serve, leads. Though to that attack, di ganun kalinis, pero nagawa mag-ano ng promo, di ba? Oh, di ba?
Learn from the best kay Ken.
Single block, no problem. Galing dito kay Rhea Manalo. Kaingatan ng strikers, no?
Talagang energized sila.
Okado. Good placed shot right there by Bebang Okado. I'm not sure though if we'll see her later. Perhaps short spurts. Pero Chow, balik dito kay Syra Romo. And she delivers para dito sa Caloocan.
And she is no other than their team captain.
Punta sa kabila, Romo. Sapin will set it up para kay Aldea. Now to Dapol. Ooh.
Good placement shot by Dapol. All good joust.
And Bacoor, I think that's 5 straight already para dito sa
Errors. Unforced errors.
Min Sapin. His father is an assistant coach. Really proud of how his daughter has become that main setter para dito sa Bacoor. Underhand set. Ito, chance ball para dito sa mga naka-asul. Russell, sorry, that was Dapol. That was blocked by Gabarda. Single block lang, no? 13-12. Short serve. Dapol gustong bumawi and she does. 14 serving 12. Also that serve pretty lethal para dito kay Dapol. Good block coming from Bacoor. Another one, and Russell Aldea continuing her dominant ways.
There's mo here on Bacoor's side. So, madali nilang mabasa ang mga sets ni Sarah. And then, so wing spikers, it's slow and high.
Tingnan natin kung mabago ni Vea Season yung timpla ng laro. And at least on that point, she does. Although parang may nag-malfunction na ilaw, no, sa ating venue. Ball is still in play. Sa gitna, Bedanya. Free ball para dito sa Bacoor City. Gracia Ordero puts that one away. 19-4. 20 serving 14. Ariola, hinabol. Dikit sa net. Nagawa ng paraan ni Bebang Okado.
They know that they have a good, Bacoor has a good setter and middle. So, talagang gagawa nila ng play yun eh. Good defense. Another chance ball.
Ariola. Combination play. Papunta dito sa kanyang teammate. This time to Okado. And she gets that one to go.
Break the momentum also of Bacoor.
Reverse, Bedanya. Easy over. Dapol sa gitna. Romo again. Ariola reverses it.
Good save!
Buhay pa. Dapol. And that will go out. So a little bit of momentum.
Middle as much as she can. Oh, look at that save.
Diba? Buhay na buhay. Down against Nasipit. Third set. They were down by, what, 11? Hinabol pa nila yun. And they actually extended it to a fourth set. And here they are. Bacoor has to regroup. Dapol.
Good defense, Romo.
Sa gitna, Enrico taps it. Just enough to get them the point. Timely substitution there by Coach Sandy Rieta.
Yes, talagang pumuntos agad si Enrico after coming in. Now they are at set point.
Good serve. Service ace to punctuate set number 1 para dito kay Cha Enrico. Okay, Rose Dapol gets us going. Ariola ang setter ngayon para dito sa Bacoor, and they draw first blood in this set. Itong Bacoor.
Good serve, good target.
Tough angle but nagawa ng paraan ni Cha Enrico.
Enrico has been producing points talaga ever since na nakapasok siya.
Yeah.
He was subbed in by Coach Sandy.
And again, she starts this set.
Service ace from Enrico.
That's already 2 in this game alone. Cha has been rolling so far. Roma Rosa making her presence felt para dito sa Caloocan. Rounding into form para kay Coach Sandy. Back to back.
She saw that De Los Reyes has been struggling with her service receive here. So talagang tina-target niya and challenging De Los Reyes.
Nagsisimula na itong Bacoor to pull away here. Romo, however, has other plans.
She was the one who helped her team in their last game.
Oh, the diagonal hit. Galing dito ay Shai Omipon.
Ginagawa niya nga daw ng paraan para mas makapag-gel pa ang team sa pamamagitan ng mga pagkain sa labas na nagsisilbi na ring team bonding. And let's see if these girls from
Side and, you know, getting to know each other, madadala mo yun sa loob ng court.
Kaya lang ayun, no? Ito, nakabawi si Mirales.
The improvement of all the players given the chance to play here at the MPVA. Good save! Kept alive by Omipon.
Good one there.
What to play?
Chow. Almost. Enrico taps it. Buhay pa din. Replay on. Dapol. Pero Chow goes back to Romo. That is out though.
Good teamwork.
11 serving 5. Oh, powerful hit. Galing kay Mary Rose Dapol.
Si Dapol talagang pag na IVB. And it's good that, you know, the Philippines is adapting to all their rules right now. Good block. Enrico again.
Dapol na nag-set para kay Bebang. Underhand to Akela De Los Reyes. Oh!
Chance ball and no one gets it.
Masakit yun para sa Caloocan.
For that rotation.
Mirales. Nasupalpal siya doon ni Russell Aldea. His first stint in a major league.
As a head coach as well.
Yes, di ba? And hindi lang naman yung players natin na bibigyan ng pagkakataon dito. Also the coaches.
Good rally from both teams.
Ito, Omipon, nakahanap ng siwang sa gitna.
Coach Sandy giving a high five to Enrico. To her.
This perfect set of the set brought to you by Extreme, the wrist in Santa Mesa. Reverse set, papunta ay Salvador. Wow, instant offense. The win here in set number 3. Well, itong Caloocan, they wanna force another. Lahat ng teams natin, mayroon ng 6 games in their belt. So this is gonna be the last game of all of them here for the first round. And then, yun nga, binanggit natin, after this one, magkakaroon tayo. Gabarda, the veteran, to serve. Oh, Cha Enrico!
She has been
He's got a good coach in Coach Sandy Rieta. Yung track record ni
Definitely.
Coach Sandy, no? At ito si Krisha Ordero.
Sa akin kanina kung ganong kalaking impact ang nadadala nito sa kanya dahil sa tuwing stress nga daw siya ay talagang ito ang nakakatulong sa kanya para mag-unwind. But for now, we are to witness that fierce sides of DAP in which let's see if she can once again help her team get that victory. Ken and Gaira?
Thank you so much, Mikey Abueg. And like we said, no, si Mayo Snapple, Jim Rat din. But yun nga, refreshing story to hear, no, about her dog Luna as Bacoor just humming here in
big advantage for their team.
they've been executing really well, especially towards the latter part of the first set. Nung opening sequences nung first set natin, medyo sluggish pa sila eh. But ever since nahanap na nila yung kanilang footing, nagtuloy-tuloy na sila dito. But still, a lot of volleyball left. Although Caloocan, this one, enjoy lang, no? Kanina pa sa huddle, nagipagkulitan kay Coach Sandy.
That's so important, you know, enjoying the game and enjoying what you're doing kasi that will translate sa nilalaro mo.
What a bone-chilling hit galing dito kay Mary Rose Napol.
4.
Shai Omipon, reigning NCAA Rookie of the Year. Wow, service ace yun.
In communication pa lang, Ken.
The reverse Mirales, and that could be something that could get.
First of all, hard serves to eliminate the middle blockers. Medyo nagsastruggle sila sa service reception nila ngayon. Established blockings, they need to improve on that more and also enjoy the game kasi last game they have been enjoying.
Underhand set, papunta kay Dapol. And she gets that one to go. Sino ba kalabay na later?
Binyan will go up again.
San Juan, yan.
San Juan,
Binyan
yes.
versus San Juan. Cha Enrico, patuloy ang kanyang pamamayagpag dito. Siya ngayon ang setter para dito sa Caloocan. Cha Enrico ulit. Back-to-back points. The players here for Caloocan, either yun nga, no? They have daughters, sons that they take care of. As ito, no? Nakapuntos na naman. Ito si Bacoor. To serve. Ariola, bigay sa gitna. Alemania puts that one away.
It's nice to see not your usual players here sa Bacoor na they're the
Gitna. Mirales. Ocado through the block.
with a little hair flip also.
Nadala ng onte si Bebang. This perfect set of the set brought to you by Extreme, the one-stop shop appliances.
I love that hair flip and that confidence.
I think she's in double figures already with 10 to si Bebang. Kabila, Aurea Manalo. It was a good hit. She will try once again. Oh, nabitin lang. Many touches in this game. Talking about to si Rhea Manalo. 21 serving 12.
Still alive.
Ocado trying to put it away pero nabuhay pa din itong Caloocan yung bola dito. Sa kabila, Alemania!
Oh.
Kala may helicopter na pakating. Ito 22-12. 3 points away itong Bacoor from grabbing win number 5. You know, if you're Bacoor, what a way to end the first round, no? As Sapin 2 points away itong Bacoor. Sa gitna, Mirales. Sapin ngayon. And Bebang Okado again. And this is now
Now,
Rina Maritan will serve para dito sa Caloocan. Sapin, back set. Alemania gets blocked by Romo. Combination play. Okado drops it, and that does it for our ball game. And Bacoor taking care of business. Win against the Caloocan AM Spikers as they end their round 1 game on a high note. Natawa si Kyra. Ito si Okado, no? Just enjoying herself. 25.
Binabati ko po yung family ko po sa Oriental Mindoro, yung parents ko po and sa mga kapatid ko po. And nagpapasalamat din po kami kay Boss Dennis, kay Mayor Strike, and sa Perpetual Community and